Just giving that thing a wash. Just rocking out. Just getting her ready. Gonna be cleaning up the ZR1 for Fourtillfour. Gonna be leaving at like 6 in the morning, so figured we'll do it night before. Gotta love this car. So low compared to the buggy. Like it's nothing. Quite a show up today. SF90s, P1s, Longtails, MC12s. Got bespoke, fully built Aventadors, twin turbos. Those are crazy. Of course, we got some wild wide bodies. Aventadors, bespoke. Rocking the blue interior, love that. Accents in the carbon fiber. Pretty crazy. The crazy thing about these Lotus Evoras is that they actually have a rear seat area, which is crazy to me. This probably has to be one of the smallest rear seats on any vehicle, but got seat belts and everything, as you can see. You'd never expect it with this body's design, mid-engine layout. I think even the trunk's in the back too, so you've got trunk, engine, seats. Crazy. Super fun car to drive, I'm sure. Stock? Not so stock. A little extra storage on the wing. Which do you guys choose, the MC20 or the McLaren P1? Let me know.